So tempo, metre and rhythm in Killer Queen. There's not a huge amount to say here, but let's go through the vocabulary. So first of all, we have a moderate tempo. A moderate tempo, beats per minute of 112. Okay, now we are in 12/8, which means that this is compound quadruple time. Okay, it gives a bit of a swung feel because we have 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. So you feel the swung. She keeps a Moet Chandon in a pretty cabinet. Let them eat cake, she said, just like Marie Antoinette. So you've got that swung feel that comes from the compound quadruple time. Okay. So we occasionally, though, don't just stick to 12/8. And I did mention this in the structure section, that when you go in and look extensively, we have a phrase length change. And basically that phrase length is extended by putting a 6/8 bar in, so 2 beats instead of 4 in a bar. So we have that extension, okay, and it's created by 6/8 bar being inserted into the phrase, okay? Now then, every single verse and chorus begins with an anacrusis. So let's find the beginning of the chorus. Here it is. So there's your anacrusis, okay? And if we go to verse 2, if we can find it. Lost it, here we go. You can see there we have another anacrusis, okay? We have lots and lots of syncopation throughout the whole thing. So let me give you one good example. In bar 44. Hopefully I will be on the right page. Nearly. One more. Bar 44. So you can see very clearly this syncopation here. Okay. So we have some interesting syncopation here created by ties, by offbeat notes. So syncopation in this section. And there's one other thing that we need to potentially mention. So let's go back to bar 18. And in bar 18, we've actually very randomly got a little triplet in there. Now, triplets would be quite unusual in this piece because it feels like it's triplets all the time because of the 12/8 compound time signature. But we actually have a genuine triplet there as part of the drum fill moving into the next phrase.